Welcome to Pep Boys.
Today, we are solving brake problems.
We all know brakes are a vital part of your vehicle. They keep you safe and in control of your car. If your brakes stop working, this can cause some serious problems. Here are some warning signs that your brake system may be failing.
Warning lights. Most cars have a dashboard warning that alerts you when there's an issue with your brakes. Check the owner's manual to familiarize yourself with your vehicle's warning lights. Odd sounds. Don't ignore what you hear. Brake grinding can happen when extreme wear to the brake pads or rotors occurs. Temperamental pedal. When a brake pedal is functioning properly, it should feel firm. A soft-feeling brake pedal is unsafe.
You can always take a break and let Pep Boys do a brake inspection on your car. If it's time to replace them, Pep Boys can install Wagner premium brake parts to ensure your safety.
If you want to see more, head to designingspaces.tv. For more information, stop by your local Pep Boys or schedule your next appointment at pepboys.com.